everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Killer truck, guys, out of Tennessee. This is a 3-year-old frame-off custom build Tennessee truck. It's all steel. Victory red paint that is super slick. It's got a two-tone red and black leather interior in it. You can see the truck sits good. It's got an 5.3 LS EFI engine underneath the hood with a 4L60E automatic overdrive trans. Killer truck, man. This is a lot of truck for the money right here. Boss wheels, Nitto rubber all the way around it. Again, all steel, fresh build. He said there's about 3,000 miles on it, even though it's only showing about 500 miles on the odometer. They had to, I guess, replace the odometer head on it. Killer truck. I love these things, man. I think this is one of the coolest body styles going. Without a doubt, one of the most popular body styles going. See, it's got a new grill in it, a lot of new trim. As you walk around, you're gonna see a couple little stone packs. That's a little bug on there, guys. A couple little touch-up marks I seen. Man, it's just got bugs. My boys missed the bugs on the bumper there. Pretty truck right here. It really hits the road good, drives out good. You can see it was at the C10 Nationals this year. Electric wipers. All new glass. I think it's PMK diamond tempered glass in there. Custom wood bed that's got a custom fuel tank in it. Of course, they've relocated it to inside the bed. The tailgate is operable, but it is a bolt-on system. Just got to take these bolts out to lower it down. They do that to eliminate the chains. Sits good. Love these fat fender trucks. Got custom roll pan in the rear here. That is a good looking truck right there. Touch your arm down there. Oh, you can open those. Sorry, Dale. Getting ahead of me. I can go ahead and open. You can go ahead and open it all up. It's got a S10 front subframe. Of course, the front disc brakes. Again, 5.3 LS based EFI engine. You can see it's got headers on it, aluminum heads. Of course, it's got the front runner system on it. Power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator, 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. It's got vintage heat on it. They did not put air on it. Really runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, all new glass. It's a pretty truck right there. Correct mirror. New door handles. That's just dust if you're seeing that, guys. Really comfortable leather seat in there. I mean, that thing, when you sit in there, I'm a little taller, and I really like the way that seat sits. I mean, you kind of sit far back in it, which is nice. I'm not real sure what kind of seat that is, but that's nice. Tilt column, billet wheel. It's got Dolphin gauges. It's only showing 587, guys. We know it's about 3,000 miles, he said on the resto. Aftermarket tack, no radio. It's got a Lokar shifter in it with the aftermarket vintage controllers. Dual exhaust. It's got a Camaro 10-bolt rear end with 4-link with adjustable coilovers. I think he said it's a 373. Clean underneath. Again, custom fuel tank. As always, there'll be pictures on the bottom of the truck. Snow pipes. Oh, boys, missed some dust on this one. You can see they put the shoulder harness seat belts in it. Love the big Lokar shifter. Really cool truck. I was kidding Dale before we started this video. This one will be a little easier for him to drive. Just did a video on that yellow Mustang, and he was about 6'4". He's sitting in there trying to shift those cars isn't easy. The way they've got the pedals set up is nice too. LED tail lights. Sounds good. Again, no radio. Blower motor does work, and it's got heat. It's got electric wipers, which is nice. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.